Okay, the second question the adjectives can answer is which one? What if we're talking about a book? Which book are we talking about? Maybe I want to say that book. We are speaking specifically of that book. What if we're talking about your book? We would say your book. That would also work for any possessive, my book, Bob's book, Frank's book. What if we're talking about an answer? Each answer. I'm talking about every single one, each one. Or the right answer. Or maybe even the wrong answer. Once again, we could talk about any possessive. My answer, your answer. Okay? Our third question, the adjectives answer, is how many? What if we were going to talk about a daffodil? That's a flower, in case any of you are wondering. How many daffodil are we talking about? Careful, watch yourself. Don't say anything plural, because notice there is no S here. That means we have a very specific number that we have to talk about here. So, of course, we can say one. We are talking about one daffodil. Or we can say a daffodil. We don't know which one, we're just talking about a daffodil. Let's talk about roses now, right? Now we can have some of those more numerical answers. How many roses? Everybody wants a dozen roses. Or maybe we just got 3. Maybe I got some. So here, when we're working with how many, any answer would be numerical. It would have something to do with a number. Our fourth answer, or our fourth question they would answer, would be how much. And let's say we're going to talk about time. How much time do we have for this assignment? Oh, we might have no time at all. No time to work on this. We might have some time. Maybe we have a little. If we're talking about raisins, how much? Do we have enough raisins? Maybe we have too many raisins. I hate raisins, so 0 raisins would be good for me. So maybe we have too many raisins. Maybe there's not enough. Those are our 4 types of questions that our adjectives answer. Our first sample sentence. The legal system, serious and complex, fascinated her. The legal system serious and complex fascinated her. First of all, let's find our noun. What is our noun that we are talking about? The legal system, serious and complex, fascinated her. Our noun here is legal system. What are our adjectives? What are our describing words that are describing legal system? That's right. Serious and complex. Those are both our adjectives that describe our legal system. Our second sentence, the judge seemed kind and understanding. What is our noun? What are we describing? Judge. Label that if you would like. That's a noun. Okay, and then what are our adjectives? Kind and understanding. This next one's kind of long. Originally, legal aid was financed almost exclusively by private donations. Originally, legal aid was financed almost exclusively by private donations. What is our noun that we are describing? That's right. We have actually a couple in this one. So this one's kind of tricky, but don't let it get you. Our first one that we are talking about, our first noun is aid. What is describing aid? What is helping us understand it a little bit better? That would be legal. Legal is describing our aid. What is our next noun that we are describing? Donations. What is describing our donations? Private. So see, there can be 2 in one sentence. It's okay. And our last sample sentence, She was quiet and thoughtful. What is the noun that we are modifying? She. That is our noun. What are our adjectives that is describing she? That's right. Quiet and thoughtful. So, I hope you notice and you realize that adjectives can come before or after the noun that they are modifying or changing. Okay? That's all for our first section of adjectives.